What's the meaning of barbershop? Barbershop. Barbershop.
Barbershop. Barbershop. A barbershop is a place where men typically go to get their hair cut, trimmed, and styled. They are places that have been serving communities for generations. Barbershops are also known for providing shaves, beard trims, and other grooming services. This type of establishment has a rich history dating back centuries, with barbers being some of the oldest recorded professions. In addition to their practical function, barbershops have also often served as social hubs, where men can gather to discuss current events, sports, and other topics. They are an important part of many communities, providing grooming services as well as a sense of tradition and camaraderie.